Hi, I'm Corpus, a Senior Transition Specialist and real estate expert based in the San Francisco Bay Area. And like many of you, I'm also part of the sandwich generation, juggling care for my own family while helping aging parents. Today, we're talking about something families avoid until it's too late: probate, and how to steer clear of the emotional and financial stress it can bring. This isn't just legal talk. Probate can tie up your parents' home for months or even years and leave you scrambling to cover expenses, fight legal battles, or clean up preventable messes. Let's dive in. So, what is probate really? Probate is the legal process that happens after someone dies. It's how the court determines who inherits what, especially when there's no trust or estate plan in place. The issue? Probate in California can take 9 to 18 months, cost thousands in attorney fees, and create family tension you didn't see coming. I recently worked with a family in Alameda County who didn't realize their mom's home was still in her name. She had passed away with just a will, not a living trust. The result? The house got tied up in probate and they couldn't sell it to pay for their dad's care in memory care. The stress was massive and it could have been avoided with just a little pre-planning. Let's talk about the top 3 mistakes I see that lead to probate nightmares. Number 1, no living trust. A will isn't enough in California. If there's no trust, real estate almost always ends up in probate. 2, title issues. Many seniors forget to update the title on their home. If it's just in their name when they pass, the court steps in to decide what happens, even if the family agrees on what to do. 3, no communication. When families don't talk about wishes or expectations ahead of time, probate can quickly become a war zone. I've seen siblings fight over whether to keep or sell a house, or disagree about who should be in charge. So, what can you do now to avoid all of this? First, get a living trust in place. If your loved one owns property in California, this is the best way to keep their home and your sanity out of court. Second, double check the title. Ask whose name is actually on the deed. If it's not in the trust or set up with the right survivorship rules, that's a red flag. Third, understand that real estate doesn't work like bank accounts. You can't just name a beneficiary on the house. That's why trusts matter. Also, a quick Bay Area note. Properties here are often worth over $1 million. That means higher probate fees and bigger stakes if things go sideways. As a senior transition specialist and real estate expert, I don't just help families sell homes. I help them avoid future messes. That means connecting families with estate planning attorneys I trust, helping them assess sale readiness, advising on whether to sell fast or list for top dollar, buying homes as is when families need a simple exit, and most importantly, guiding them with empathy and clarity. I had a family in Contra Costa County who worked with me before their dad passed. They got the trust done, had the home cleaned and prepped in advance, and we listed it just weeks after he passed with 0 court delays and multiple offers above asking. That's the difference planning can make. If you take just one thing from this video, it's this: don't wait for the call. You know the one from a hospital or a sibling, or worse, a probate attorney. By then, your options are limited and everything is more expensive, more emotional, more chaotic. Have the conversation now. Help your parents get their trust and title in order. And if you're unsure on where to start, reach out. I'll point you in the right direction, even if you're not ready to sell. If you found this video helpful, I've even got more insights on my podcast, Simplify Senior Transitions. It's available right here on YouTube, plus Spotify and Apple Podcasts. And if your family needs help now or wants to plan ahead, let's talk. Schedule a free consultation with me by clicking on the Calendly link in the video description box. Learn more about my services at www.simplifyseniortransitions.com. Got a quick question? DM me on Instagram at SoulByDale. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.